Chloe. Best friends forever.
This was my real father's camera. I want you to have it.
Man, Nathan Prescott is messed up and dangerous. This day never ends.
Oh, and thanks, Chloe.
Qué fuerte, tío.
After 5 years, you're still Max Caulfield. Don't give me the guilty face. At least pretend you're glad to see me.
I am seriously glad to see you.
Qué fuerte, tío.
Oh, and
Ay, qué
thanks,
bonito, me
Chloe.
encanta.
It makes perfect sense I'd see you
Qué
today.
gracioso,
Yes,
tío,
it's
qué
been
juego.
that kind of day.
Qué juego, tío.
So what did that freak want with you?
Espero que nada. Espero que nada.
Hopefully nothing after today. So, how do you know Nathan?
He's just another Arcadia asshole. Your friend really took a beat down for you.
Warren? Yeah, I owe him big time.
You're not the only one in debt. And you're already causing trouble.
I thought it would be quiet here. Feels so weird to be back.
Qué fuerte, tío.
So I guess Seattle
Ha
sucked
vuelto
hard?
con 18 años aquí, ¿no? Supongo.
I guess. It was cool, but I felt kind of lonely, out of my league.
I would think you'd fit right in with the art school hipsters.
Right. You look like the cover of hipstergirl.com.
At least you're
Oh.
still a smartass.
That's why I'm here.
Please, girl. You came back for Blackwell Academy.
Por supuesto.
Of course, it's one of the best photography programs in the country. And my favorite teacher, Mark Jefferson.
So you came back to Arcadia for a teacher, not your best friend.
Don't you think I'm happy to see you?
No. You were happy to wait 5 years without a call or even a text.
Oh. Give me a breath, man.
Give me a break. I was going through changes. Like you.
I guess those changes included dumping me from your life.
¡Hala!
That's not true, Chloe.
Bullshit. You thought you hook up with all these art pricks
No
in
me lo
Seattle.
puedo creer,
Didn't
tío.
happen, though.
You're merciless.
You've been at Blackwell for almost a month without letting me know. Enough said.
I just wanted to settle in first and not be such a shy, cliche geek. I totally would have contacted you.
I bet you don't use
No,
these
es
sad
que es
excuses
un
on
poco
Mr.
cerda,
Jefferson.
tío.
Don't use them on me, Max.
Es un poco cerda, tío. O sea, mi mejor amiga me falta poco, tío. Le llamo una semana antes de ir. Voy una semana antes de entrar al puto instituto. Mírala, tío, ya me he enamorado. Me puto encanta Chloe, tío. Estoy enamoradísima de esta. Estoy puto enamoradísima. O sea, preferiría llevar a Chloe que a Max. Max me parece un poco... Es que yo creo que soy muy Chloe, tío.
Broken? Oh, man, are you serial?
Wow, haven't heard that one in a while.
Not everything changes. Except my camera has officially taken a shit.
Ala, tío, qué pena.
My step douche has a boatload of tools. Maybe you can fix it at my place.
I need very specific tiny tools.
Nerd alert. My stepdad has a fully stocked garage, and he actually is a tiny tool. Welcome home, Max.
Me puto he enamorado de esta chica, tío. Es un personaje radical. O sea, en England diríamos it's rad. ¿Sabes? En plan, here it's radical. En plan, she's rad. En plan, ella es radical, ella es brutal. She's awesome. En plan, she's rad. No sé decirlo, tío, no sé explicarlo, ¿sabes? ¿Sabes? Entonces, en plan, es como ella platina, ¿sabes? Prácticamente decir shredded. En plan, she's red. En plan, es que es una locura, tío. El mundo del skate, en plan. Es que pues totalmente mi rollo, tío. Yo tenía habitación así.
My room looks a bit different than the last time you saw it.
It's cool. At least we
Yo
can
era
chill
así,
out.
tío.
This isn't exactly my chill-out zone. My step-fuhrer makes sure of that. Come in and close the door.
¡Claro que sí!
It won't play without any power.
Vale, pues lo enchufamos. Se puede enchufar, regleta. Mirar, encender. ¡Guay! ¡Nice!
Houston, we have the power. But we need to find a disc to play.
Aquí, en la caja, ¿no? Buscar. Fotos,
Look
tío.
at that. Chloe and her dad were so close.
O sea,
I
que
think
por el
this
resto voy a
junk
seguir
swallowed her
estando
discs.
emocionada. Vale. Ojo al cartel bollo de la NSFW, chaval. Mirar. Vale, esta es la loca de los carteles.
So it was Chloe who printed all those flyers.
Age 19, height 5'5". Hair blonde eyes hazel. Ventana. No.
So it was Chloe who printed all those flyers.
Ventana, mirar.
We used to dare each other to climb down, but never did.
Cartel de búsqueda, buscar.
I think this junk swallowed her discs.
Vale, por aquí no hay CDs. Ok. ¿Y el ordenador? Hombre, que si me voy a besar con Chloe por mis huevos.
She looks super happy.
Qué bonita, tío. Es preciosa.
She looks super sad. She
Emo.
looks super stoned.
Eso es un fucking cartel de waifu. Mirar.
Hey, that TV used to be in the living room. We had such a blast drawing these together.
Vale. Power Girls, Freedom Eagle. Me cuenta esto de pizza. ¿Esto qué es? Mirar. La Costa de Oregón.
This postcard is from Rachel Amber.
Miss you, wish you were here. ¿Pero esto de cuándo es? ¿Estaba en Oregón? Vale, pues aquí arriba.
Dude, you broke my glass snow dough. Thanks.
Un momento, voy a mirar esto y luego rebobino.
Damn. Chloe was kicked out of Blackwell 2 years ago.
¡Ojo!
She used to be a great student.
¡Y se fue a la verga!
When she cared.
Vale, rebobinar. Vale. Vale, armario. En el armario que seguro que está dentro.
Oh, this is a flashback to youth. Oh, this is a flashback to youth. Our super secret closet lair.
Vale, pues aquí. ¿Por qué está tachado, tío?
Chloe was always taller than me. We made her dad keep track of her height.
That is gone. Hostia, qué F, tío. En plan...
Nothing but junk in this
Qué
suitcase.
puto asco de habitación, nano. En plan, putísimo asco.
Chloe totally changed her style. I barely recognized her.
¡Hombre! ¡Al fin! Hostia, Rachel. Es la foto de Rachel. ¡Oh! ¡Qué pena!
Hey, give me that.
Sorry, I wasn't trying to be nosy. Obviously, she was a good friend.
It's putting it mildly.
Oh.
That's Rachel Amber. Her missing person posters are all over Blackwell.
Yeah, I
Mira,
put
no
them
me va a
up.
hacer la tonta, ¿sabes?
She was my angel. After my dad died and you moved, I felt
Es
abandoned.
muy guapa, ¿eh?
Rachel
Es
saved
muy
my life.
guapa.
Man, I had no
Yo
idea.
normal acabo con pijas,
Well, you
¿eh?
never made much effort to find out.
Porque
I
soy
was
yo la
14.
marronera.
We were best friends.
Nunca te olvides.
I never forgot. Even if I was an asshole and didn't keep in touch. But you had Rachel.
Rachel had my back. We were gonna kick the world's ass. You would laugh at how different we were.
Es que me siento muy
She wanted
Chloe,
to be a
tío.
star.
She looks like a model.
That was her plan. Our plan. Get the hell out of Bigfootville and into Los Angeles.
Me voy a preguntar qué pasó.
So what happened? Did your folks, your mom, try to stop you?
My mom was too busy hooked up with Sergeant Shithead.
I feel the love. Now, when did Rachel actually disappear?
6 months ago. She just left Arcadia. Without a word. Without me.
F, tío.
What about her parents? Are they
Dudo
looking
mucho
for
que,
her?
o sea,
They're in denial.
joder, que me da mucha
Max, I
pena.
know
¿no?
she's missing.
En
I
plan,
assume you know more than that.
me da muchísima,
Before Rachel
muchísima
left,
pena.
she said she met somebody who changed her life. And poof.
And you haven't
Oh.
heard anything from her since?
F,
Like
tío.
everybody in my life. My dad, you, and Rachel. Gone. Can you put on some music now?
Es muy triste, tío. Oh, por favor, qué pena, te lo juro. En plan, me da mucha rabia, tío. Todo, tío. Ojalá poder abrazarla, ¿sabes? Poder acompañarla, tío. Haberla podido acompañar, ¿sabes? Esa es la sensación que tengo. Ojalá haber podido acompañarla. Ojalá haberla llamado antes de llegar. Ojalá todo. Y es muy guay porque esa sensación la han conseguido crear. Han conseguido
Anyway,
crear que
you
no
can
estuviera
find
ahí.
tools to fix your camera in the garage.
Chloe, are you okay?
Sure, I'm awesome. I just want to blaze and be alone for a moment. Can you let me chillax for a bit? Alone? The tools are still downstairs.
Joder, macho, qué rabia. Si hubiera un buen doblaje, sí. Abrir.
This must be Chloe's parents' room.
Ojo,
Man, I am nosy today.
pájaro.
Oh shit! Poor thing. I bet I could do something to
Oh.
save it.
Claro. En plan, las luces, cuidado, que están muy caras. Oh, qué bonito. ¿Puedo?
You've been resurrected, Birdie. Fly, be free.
¿No va a salir o qué? ¿No va a salir?
Joy still works at the diner. And Chloe's new dad is a security guard.
O sea... ¿Esto qué es? Hipoteca Arcadia. Past due, que no la han pagado aún. F. Por cierto, gracias, pero no somos amigas. Vale, estupendo. No pasa nada, luego te pego una paliza, te rompo las piernas y ya está. No hacer nada, me voy para abajo. Correo. Soy jodidamente
Doesn't look
cotilla.
like the Price family is rolling in dough these days.
F. Todo factura sin pagar, abrir.
Nope. Someone locked it from the other side.
Joder, macho, qué pesadilla. A ver, fotos.
Now this is the Chloe I remember.
¡Ojo!
Always smiling and laughing.
Con unas
Not so
bonitas
much
Vans.
anymore.
Yo me vestía así, tío. Yo me ponía medias largas y los pantalones cortos, tío. Siempre he hecho eso, tío, cuando era pequeña. Qué guay, tío. Qué guapo. No es nada, ese tío es capullo. Vale. Ese tío es un capullo, pero es el padrastro de tu mejor amiga, loca. Ah, el dinero de
I'd
viajar.
love to go to Paris too.
¡Hala!
At this rate, they'll be lucky to get to Portland. I can feel autumn pushing out the summer. William used to grill awesome burgers for us.
Oh, William es el
I
padre
wonder
de
if
ella,
he
¿no?
was the last one to use this.
Es el padre de ella. Una zapatilla, muy útil. Columbio. Sentarse. Esto es para tus pensamientos.
What do you truly want to do when you grow up?
Max, I'm already grown up. What about you?
Travel. That would be awesome. Explore the world, go far from here.
Reportera. Es que guay.
Far from me? Thanks a lot, dude.
Dude, you would totally come with me. I need a bodyguard for our adventures.
I would be like Lara Croft,
Me está
except
llamando, tío.
real. That would be majorly cool.
That took Chloe and me the whole day to draw.
Qué bonito, tío.
It's almost invisible now.
Oh.
We made this grave for Chloe's kitty. Poor Bongo. He never saw that car coming.
Sentarse. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Que voy pensando en todos los sitios? La que tenéis que ver es Gravity Falls. Muy recomendable. Entera.
Come on, open it, chicken.
Hold on, and I'm not chicken.
Prove it. You drink first, Max.
No way.
Su primera
It
cerveza.
was your idea, Chloe.
Qué bonito, tío.
Whatever. Give me
Qué
that
bonito.
bottle.
Well,
Tasty.
Por
Very
eso.
tasty.
here, I want a sip.
Sorry, this is not for kids.
Don't be greedy. Give me some.
Qué bonita
Oh
relación,
shit, the
tío.
carpet. There's wine all over. What do we do now?
Ah, bebieron vino.
My parents are coming. Cover it up.
Qué fuerte, tío.
I should be able to find the tools I need here.
Vale, abrir.
Chloe's stepdad is head of security at Blackwell. He wants to put surveillance cameras all over the school? Chloe's stepfather is this asshole from Blackwell? You've got to be shitting me.
Encender. Claro que sí, hombre. Claro que sí, hombre. Un par de armicas.
One of these guns is
¿Qué
missing.
pasa? ¿Arroz con pollo? ¿Cómo lo
I
llevas?
hope Chloe's stepdad isn't packing heat.
Falta un arma, tío. Escúchame, falta un arma. Falta un puto arma, tío. Herramientas, mirar.
Boom, precision screwdrivers.
Vale,
Except I can't reach them.
pues es muy fácil. Ahí viene. Ahí viene. Estupendo. Ya lo
That was
tenemos.
very smart,
Vamos
dumbass.
a apagarla,
No
que
can
gasta
reach.
electricidad.
Yes, here's some ancient cardboard.
Vale, la coges, muy bien. Si es que no es muy difícil, si yo esa mierda también la entiendo.
Man, I should have done that before they fell.
Ah, pues sí, también es verdad. ¿Vale o qué? Vale. Cogemos el cartón, empujamos. Soy gilipollas. Soy puto gilipollas. Me habéis liado y no lo he hecho bien. Vale, esto por aquí. Pero, bro, me quedaré hasta la 1, como mucho de la mañana. ¿Se ha caído? Sí, apagar. Y te baja todo lo que necesitas.
Yes, you have mad skills, Max. I've got the tools. I should go back upstairs before Chloe freaks. What the? Chloe's stepdad actually installed cameras in the rooms?
¿Es broma?
For reals?
Friki.
This guy has serious trust issues. Do
No me
Chloe and
jodas.
Joyce even know about this?
Poca broma, ¿no? Cierra, tío. ¡Ah, un mapa! ¡Hay un mapa, loco! ¡Hay un mapa!
Wowzer, a map of Blackwell Academy. I wonder why.
Como que I wonder why. Como que I wonder why. ¿Cerdo? ¿Sin ray tracing? ¿Qué coño es eso, tío? Portátil. Usar.
No password. Like it would help me find tools anyway.
No, no puedo. Vale. A ver, la contraseña estará por algún lado, ¿no? La contraseña la habrá dejado por algún lado. ¿Cómo que hacen que se vea reflejos? Expláyate, bro. Buscar.
Shit! Butterfingers!
Foto. ¿Ponía foto? Ponía foto, bro. ¿Cómo lo hago? No puedo hacer foto. No puedo hacer foto. Porque la
Kate
cámara está
Marsh.
rota.
Why the hell would he have pictures of her? Okay, this is getting totally weird.
¿De Allison, tío? ¿De Alice? ¿Qué me estás contando, tío? Vale. Vale. ¿Y cuándo arreglo la cámara, tío? Joder, macho, tiene comida aquí para...
Look at all that food. That's like enough spam for 100 years.
Pero la madre que le parió, ¿cuánta comida tiene, coche? Mirad.
Check out the muscle car.
Joder.
Chloe's stepdad must be a gearhead.
Vale. Claro que sí, hombre. Bendito trofeo, faltaría.
Poor little dear. It's not enough to kill you, they have to display your head.
¿Cómo la arreglo, tío?
Chloe, if you're listening, Pete was cruising home off duty and told me he saw you near that garbage dump. Now I've already
Otra vez.
told you
Sí, las he agarrado.
to stay away from that place. It's dangerous. And you got no idea what kind of scum are living out there. Stay away.
Vale. Vale. Coño, ¿cómo no me he dado cuenta, tío? Dos mujeres besándose. Herramientas.
You found the tools. Sweet. You can sit at my desk and fix your camera.
Vale. ¡Ué! Puede ser, no sé, le preguntaré a ver. Sí, porque te llamo ya. Vale, chavales, me han dicho que le llame ahora, ¿vale? Así que, joder, macho, cinemática. Qué putada.
So,
Qué putada.
I
tío.
can't fix this thing.
are these your new photos?
60
Yeah.
hercios.
I just took them today.
Luego te
Let me
paso la
see.
pantalla por privado, ¿vale? Es una televisión.
I've seen this before.
Uh,
No way. When did you take this? You took this photo, you brat? In the bathroom today. You set off the alarm. That's why Nathan raged after you. It totally makes sense. You hella saved my life. Now tell me the truth, Max.